Let's look at Kings Dominion, Virginia's premier destination for fun. With world-class thrill rides that include a 305-foot-tall Giga Coaster, a 4D spin coaster, and an indoor launch coaster, thrill seekers are sure to get their fill. Planet Snoopy is great for young adventurers, with family-friendly rides nestled under a lush canopy of trees. The 20-acre Soak City Water Park offers an excellent way to beat the heat with attractions for all ages. Daily live shows and unique attractions will leave you finding pleasant surprises tucked into every corner of the 400-acre park. Let's take a look at a few of the thrill rides at Kings Dominion. We start off with Anaconda. Get wrapped in the coils and be prepared to drop 144 feet into the depths of the Anaconda. You'll be rocketed through 2,700 feet of track at speeds up to 50 miles per hour through an underwater tunnel, vertical loops, sharp twists, and turns. Grizzly. Adventure seekers are sent roaring through 3,162 feet of track through a dense forest on this popular wooden roller coaster. The double figure 8 layout makes for an exhilarating ride. Riders experience an abundance of airtime on several drops. Twisted Timbers. Twisted Timbers sits at the edge of Candy Apple Grove and gives riders a one-of-a-kind experience. Plummet down a 109-foot-tall barrel roll drop, through 2 more inversions and soaring over 20 airtime hills at speeds of 54 miles per hour. Hold on tight, because this is a ride with a twist. This is Twisted Timbers. Dominator. Scream through 5 inversions at speeds up to 67 miles per hour on the longest floorless steel roller coaster in the world, including one of the largest vertical loops in the world. Holds the world record as the longest floorless roller coaster at 4,210 feet. Project 305, one of the tallest, fastest and most thrilling on the East Coast. The ride stands 305 feet at its highest point with a first drop of 300 feet at an 85-degree angle. Roller coaster enthusiasts rave about the ride's high-speed twists and turns. Racer 75, not the biggest, tallest or fastest ride at Kings Dominion, but certainly a ride with class that families enjoy riding together. Twin racing trains compete for the finish on this traditional out-and-back wooden roller coaster. Reptilian. Glide through the waters of Jungle Expedition, said to be filled with the powerful reptile, Reptilian. At this temple, visitors may crawl aboard a representation of the fearsome, toothsome creature and zigzag through the mud clay trough that encircles the jungle. Although the creature's movement has been said to be stealthy yet quick, you and your family will want to ride this ride again and again. While you glide through the jungle waters on Reptilian at high speed, you'll also be riding on the only ride of its kind in the Americas. Tumbili, Virginia's first 4D spin coaster, is a thrilling roller coaster that suspends riders on either side of the track as the cars flip continuously throughout the ride. Featuring state-of-the-art magnetic technology that induces and controls spinning, this 4D spin coaster will give riders the feeling of weightlessness as they cruise along the track, tumbling and spinning head over heels in the rainforest tree canopy. Backlot Stunt Coaster. Backlot Stunt Coaster ride is a state-of-the-art linear induction motor launch coaster that delivers a no-holds-barred, high-speed experience like none you've ever experienced before. Your stunt driving training begins with an unheard-of acceleration of 0 to 40 miles per hour in, wait for it, 3 seconds. Yes, seconds. The helter-skelter chase proceeds through a parking garage via a series of crazy helixes and then up, down and all around a fleet of police cars, around high-banked turns, and much more, all the while trying to dodge repeated gunfire. Worn out yet? We're just getting started. Backlot Stunt Coaster is your ultimate destination for non-stop, white-knuckle action from start to finish. Apple Zapple. Families thoroughly enjoy this fast-paced, exciting attraction filled with unexpected twists, tight turns and sudden drops. One of the most underrated rides in the park, an attraction that families enjoy riding together. The ride features a surprisingly thrilling 50-foot drop. Shenandoah Lumber Company, a splash-filled water adventure for guests of all ages as they float through an excursion in the wilderness with a splashdown ending. Fun for the entire family. Excursion experience includes navigating your way over a thrilling 40-foot waterfall. Whitewater Canyon. Raging waves and surging torrents thrash you about on this whitewater adventure like no other. You were seeking adventure, but you didn't think it would be like this. Whitewater Canyon ride offers the same type of spine-tingling thrills and chills. This dizzying water adventure features large, family-size rafts for 6 people. Once aboard, riders are at the mercy of a 1,800-foot-long journey across powerful waves and torrents, concluding at a cascading waterfall. Each drenching ride is unique, so there's no telling what your erratic escape will entail. Drop Tower. Feel your heart drop when you plunge a staggering 27 stories from a height of 305 feet at a speed of 72 miles per hour on the longest Euro height drop in the world. It's a thrill you'll never forget. Of course, we cannot forget the kids' rides. Here are a few: Charlie Brown's Wind Up, Flying Ace Balloon Race, Great Pumpkin Coaster, Snoopy vs. Red Baron, Snoopy's Junction. And there's still more to discover. And let's not forget Eiffel Tower, King's Dominion's signature attractions for a bird's-eye view of the park and surrounding countryside. One of the park's original and signature attractions, the Eiffel Tower stands 315 feet and is a one-third replica of the original Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. Guests are treated to a panorama of the park and surrounding countryside. On a clear day, guests can see 18 miles out into the region from the observation deck. Last but not least, Soak City. After taking on the thrills, go straight to the chills in the 20-acre water park, Soak City, featuring a massive wave pool, extreme water slides, an interactive splash pad for children and more. Take it easy at Tidal Wave Bay or go with the flow on the Lazy Rider. Up for some chilling thrills? Climb to the top of the 65-ft tall slide tower, Hurricane Heights, and take the plunge on Paradise Plunge. Grab your friends and slide to the bottom on the Zoom Flume or hang 10 on one of the 4 slides at Baja Benz. The newest area of Soak City, Coconut Shores, features a mini wave pool, 45-foot multi-level play structure, and unique dining. Be sure to pack your swimsuit and towel on your next visit and give the incredible water attractions a splash. King's Dominion is located in Doswell, Virginia, and is part of the Cedar Fair Entertainment Company. For more information, please visit kingsdominion.com.